Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can automate the file upload in Playwright. So here I have the sample demo site that has this choose file, and then you have the upload button, and normally you will have to automate the entire thing, choosing the file, and then the OS dialog comes in. You have to select the file and then click the open button. But Playwright makes everything, all of these, simple with just one line of code. Yes, it's that simple, and I will show you in the demo script. And then you can click the upload button, and let me show you the script that I used to demo this. So this test or the script goes to the website, and then in Playwright all you need is to call this page.setInputFiles, and then you give the HTML ID or the other locator, and then the location of your file. And here is my test file, has some dummy data, and you can specify the path of this text file. And so look at this, it's just .setInputFiles. So what it does we will see in a moment, and then you click the submit button. So let's run this test, and in the debug mode, and you will see the Playwright debugger and the browser window open, and let's see, it is going to navigate to the page, and it is there. And then you can see here how the set input files makes it so easy. You won't see the OS dialog or any other pop-up. So when I execute the line, you see the my file.txt. It's right there. So you don't need to do any complex coding in Playwright. So all you need is the .input files. And one thing about the upload button is, if your site has the upload button, you still need to code that extra line of code for clicking the submit button or the upload button. The set input files only chooses a file, whatever file you specify here, and then it does that automatically. So you don't need to deal with that open dialog, OS dialog. So you can see how simple it is with just this one line of code. And this test is not, and this test will run and complete. So there you go. So you have learned how to use this simple one-liner .setInputFiles to select your file. So in the next video we will see how to download a file and how to automate that using Playwright automated script. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, so you will get more videos like this. Thank you.